Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to download and install Microsoft Teams on Windows 11. The first thing, just simply open up any web browser into your desktop. And now I have here Google Chrome, and just simply search over here Microsoft Teams. And now once you have searched Microsoft Teams, just simply select the first one over here, and this will be their official website. And right away you should be able to see here download now. Just simply select that one, and now just simply select download Microsoft Teams for Windows, and you will have this pop up over here, and just simply select this one, and just simply select the folder icon. Just simply double click on this one, and after that just simply run the installer, and from here it will automatically install, and it will automatically open the Microsoft Teams once it is done. And after that guys, it will automatically set up for you, and if prompted, just simply sign in into your account, or just simply follow any prompts in order for you to download the application. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.